Welcome guys once again, and let's start to design these spokes for this filtering. In previous video we have done this part. Up to this we have used only one shaft command here, and let's start to create this spokes part. So go to this sketch, and here you can see this spokes part is created like this. So let's start to create this spokes. To create this spokes, actually we have to insert one body here. So insert one body and give name to this part as we are giving name to this part as, and make sure this box is in our current defined work object. And let's start to design this part. So first of all we will change some lightning here because so much lightning is coming to this part. And to create this, go to the sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here. Projector point is this, orientation should be parallel to this line. Sorry, parallel to this line. And let's start to create this box here. To create this box, first of all we have to create one circle. First of all we will zoom this part so we can see clearly. We have to create one circle and diameter value is 44 and it is coincident on vertical axis. Change some lighting here, some lighting is coming. Now it is perfect. This should be coincident to this circle, so select this circle and this tangent here. Now it is perfectly aligned. And we have to create two arcs here like this and this. To create arc, go to profile tab and select this circle tab layout. Create this types of arc here like this and this, and same in this other side also. And dimension for the boat is 2420. Actually it is not a radius value, it is diameter value 2420. And press OK here and make this line arc is tangent to this circle. This also tangent to this circle. Read this arc, some different is coming. So to create this, we have to create first of all one circle here. To create one circle, this circle should be different purpose. So select this construction element also. Select this as center. Create up to this and give dimension for this as 509. Yes, 509 diameter. Create one point here. So to a point, create point here somewhat. Give dimension for this point from this vertical axis is 82.5. 82.5. This should be aligned to this. make it concentrate. Now you can see this is aligned properly to this part. Now same arc we wanted to select, so click this arc and select mirror command here and select this vertical axis. Now you can check this part is created. Just have to close this sketch to make our next part. So first of all, go to quick trim here and untrim this inside circle and go to this profile tab and this circle command and go to this last arc command and select the center and this origin and create from this to this, but before that make sure to uncheck this construction because we want this as original line which we use at next part. And next we have to create, just we have to trim this, we don't want this and this also. Now you dimension to this. Now you can check this fully constrained sketch is created here. Adjust this to the sketch workbench from here and now use pad command to this. Take from here to here the distance, not from here to here, and actually distance it is 230. So here we have to choose something 230 value. Increase this again, make it 2 here. Now again go to this more part, decrease from this, take this is up to 210. Now make it view here. Let's check up to where it is coming. Just press OK. So we want up to here. So again select this pad, decrease this side value. It should be covered up to this circle. Here you can see it is covered up to this. Now press OK here and check on other side also. Now it is perfect. And now just only one thing we have to do. We have to take pattern for this. Here you can see pattern for this is created here, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 days we want to this set. So to make 7 part of this scene, go to rectangle circular pattern here and this transformation tab and make sure current solid is chosen as this part and parameter here is to be complete count and we want 7 of this. Reference direction is y. Do you check here? Now check how much are created here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6. So next we have to make this as we just have to right click to this box and go to this box option and select your remove on this part body. Now you can check this part is also removed. Don't worry about this part, we can create this part once again. So to create this part, once again go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here and create a type as this. Orientation should be parallel this in axis. Press OK here. Now create two circles here. One is like this and somewhat this. and make this one circle should be coincident to this for the same distance we want. The second also coincident to this outside circle. Now edit this to the sketch workbench from this. Now use pad command for this, but before going to pad command, yes, now use pad command here. Decrease this value some. Preview here. Now I can check this part is created. Just decrease some value once again. Now make it view once again here. Select here as 220 value and now make it view. Now press OK here. Now you can check this field is created completely. And once again we have to create a next pocket command to here. So to create this, once again go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here, origin projected point as this origin, orientation should be parallel to this, make it reverse this off. Let's start to create this part. Here you can see to create this part, we have to create one inclined line somewhat like this. Other side also some inclined line we have to create. This like structure we have to create here. And this fillets value we are giving at last only. And make sure and give angle between them. Here it is given as 7. So on the center angle it is come at half of 7. It is 3.5 something. On this also make this somewhat inclined like this, or else delete this. First of all you will give these dimensions from here to here. This dimension for this is 100, from this to this center dimension is 125. And angle we have to give from this to this angle is 3.5. This to this is 3.5. So from this it is come as 7. and from here to here this upper dimension is given. This is as 22. Make this center align this which is symmetrical to this vertical axis. From here this format half opened. Now this sketch is fully constrained now. The edges is to the sketch workbench from here. Just use pocket command here. Make it reverse to this direction and increase this value up to 20. And let's start to create this next part. So here you can see this part is this material is removed by using this pocket command. Now we can give fillet value to this. The fillet value we have to give here as 5. So go to fillet, select this as first and this as second and this as third and this as fourth. Now the fillet value we have to give here as 5. Do here and press OK. Now this exactly sketch we want this other side also. So to create this, select first of all this pocket command and this edge fillet also. So press and hold this control button and select this edge fillet also. And use a rectangle pattern here. Make it yes here. Some more warning is coming, so don't take serious about this warning. Now its reference element direction is Y. Make sure this instant value to be complete count and this instant value is same. Now make it blue here and press OK. Now you can check this exact sketch is created on this other side. So the last remaining part we have to create only this hole. So in next video we can create hole to this part. So see you guys again in next video.